For those of you who listen regularly, you know we pick one specific Metro Atlanta neighborhood to call out critical changes over the last 3 years to help you learn as a homeowner in the neighborhood whether or not you have a particular advantage. And this week, we're featuring Farmbrook, which is in Johns Creek, Fulton County. If you're taking 141 north, you would cross the Gwinnett County, Fulton County line, cross the Chattahoochee River, go to Old Alabama Road, turn left, then turn right on Bice Road, go down, and the third or fourth subdivision on your right is Farmbrook. Farmbrook is a well-established, the lots are huge, and it's a beautiful community. It's a well-established swim and tennis neighborhood consisting of the estates and the enclave at Farmbrook. You've got heavily wooded lots on 1 to 5 acres, which appeal to nature lovers. Residents enjoy the privacy of the neighborhood while being conveniently located at 285, 85, and activities in the area. Let's take a look at the market and see what's happened over the last several years. In 2021, there were 7 homes that sold. They took on average 11 days from listing to contract. The average sales price was $648,000. They ranged from a low of $430,000 to a high of $830,000. In 2022, only 4 homes sold. There's 142 homes in the neighborhood. We would expect there to be closer to 14 homes that sell, but in this particular case, people seem to like living there. The 4 homes took an average of 34 days to sell. The average sales price increased just a little shy of $300,000 to $913,750. Now, you've got some big monster homes in there, and you've got some smaller homes. So it could be that you had more of the big monster, more expensive homes that sold in 2023. Prices increased another $30,000 to $942,000. There were 5 homes that sold. They took an average of 4 days from listing to contract, and the low price was $750,000. The high price was $1.225 million. There are currently 3 homes listed for sale at an average list price of $886,000, which means you have 7.2 months worth of inventory. That would be a buyer's market. Now, the reality is really nice inventory in the neighborhood. The sellers would still have an advantage. But if it is a property that needs a little bit of work, then the buyers might have an advantage. Those 142 homes on average in 2010 were worth $371,500. When we compare that to the $942,000 average sales price in 2023, we learned that homeowner equity has increased in the neighborhood in a 13-year period to the tune of $81 million. The elementary school is State Bridge Crossing, the middle school is Autry Mill, and the high school is Johns Creek.